Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change lock screen wallpaper in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Now you should see your lock screen and your home screen. Now to change your lock screen wallpaper, all you need to do is click on lock screen. Once you selected lock screen, want to hang on, then click on item, click on the plus button. Now go ahead and select the lock screen wallpaper you want to use. Click on done, and then you should have it like this. You can even use video as your lock screen wallpaper. Click on done again. Now once you click on done, you want to hang on for this to crop out the video part, then remove your existing wallpaper, or better still, click on plus and then go ahead and select the photo you want to use as your lock screen wallpaper. Click on done again. Now go ahead and remove the existing one, then go ahead and click on done again. This is going to help you to change the lock screen wallpaper. So if your Samsung phone screen is locked, then you should see the lock screen wallpaper changed. However, if you want to change the entire lock screen wallpaper and the home screen wallpaper, go back to your wallpaper and style in the settings. Click on change wallpapers. Now come to gallery and then select a new photo. You can also use graphical colors and then set as next and set this as your home screen and lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung phone by clicking on the done button. If you do this and you see changes apply to lock screen, now it's going to change your Samsung phone screen, lock screen, and then the home screen, and then you're good. So just play around the Samsung phone wallpaper and style to get your choice of wallpaper, and then you are good. So that's basically how to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.